To change keyboard language on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and choose Additional Settings. Over here, go to Languages and Input, then choose Manage Keyboards, and you should be able to find Gboard. This is your default keyboard that we have on this phone, so we can tap on it, and go to Languages. Now we can press Add Keyboard, and you can choose the keyboard language that you wish to add. So let's say I'm gonna choose, of course you can search by tapping on this field over here. So let's say I'm gonna type English. I'm gonna use English UK. Over here you also have different layouts. So if you prefer a different layout, then of course you can choose it here. And then we can press done in the bottom right corner. Of course right now we have 2 languages. So if you don't want to use multiple languages, then you can press this pen icon. You can select whichever language you want to remove and then press this trash icon in the top right corner. You can also change the order by dragging them like this. And if you want to keep multiple languages, and if you want to change the language, then as you can see over here we have this globe icon next to the space. We can tap on it in order to switch between different languages. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!